what are the consequences of, or I already practice yoga from YouTube videos or meditation, guided meditations on my phone, or even from books. So why can't I just use those?
You can do those, there is no problem. You can practice the yoga from guided meditations, guided yoga YouTube videos. You can take some books, like a lot of books are available. You can take those books and continue to practice yoga. There is no consequences, there is no side effect. You can still do it. But how do you know that you're reaching somewhere? How do you know that you are on the right path? If you are on a journey for absolutely unknown, then how you will know that you are on the right track? It can be a track of your own ego. It can be a track of your own superimposition of thoughts. It can be a track of which taking you anywhere, not where you really wants to go. So there is no consequences, there is no side effect. But the problem with the YouTube videos and with the books is not every writer is an enlightened person. I tell you, for an example, very simple thing. There is a Patanjali Yoga Sutra, which is called as like a Bible of yoga. And this Patanjali Yoga Sutra has been translated into many languages. And I was sitting one day at a home, and Jacob was with me and Alisa was with me, and we was preparing for something different, there was not even a topic of practicing yoga. And somebody asked me one time to write a translation, not translation, how you call it, commentary on Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So I just bought a book. I never read it, and never opened it. And it was lying down somewhere next to me when that day I was sitting. I just took it. I said, okay, the guys are busy in shooting, preparing everything, mics and everything. I just let's check what is there. And I opened and I saw first, this was a book where it was translated into Hindi language from Sanskrit. The closest language to Sanskrit is Hindi. The person who is translating, even in Hindi, he make a lot of mistakes. How you imagine the person who has translated into English, he has translated as it is? How you know the person who has translated into French or Dutch or Spanish or Russian or any other language he has translated correctly? First things, books creates a more chance to make mistake, because if the writer did not understood properly, he won't be able to make you understand properly. You need to have a live person. Then it makes your path, it makes your task easier, because it's something new, it's not common. I can guarantee you, if you will take, even you go to whole YouTube's, search every yoga video in the world, you cannot find even a single teacher who knows which nadi is working in which asana and where this nadi is located in the body. So why they do not have this knowledge? Because 90% knowledge of yoga comes from this yellow book, not from Patanjali Yoga Sutra. 99% of the people did not even understand Patanjali Yoga Sutra. They maybe just read the translation version. So this yellow book, which is from Bihar School of Yoga and which is taught to every yoga school, like teacher training yoga, YTTC, TTC, when you go, and this is, they teach from this book. They have lots of mistakes in this book. Lots of mistakes in this book. Pranayama's names are also not correct. So, if you learn wrong and you create the pattern in your head wrong, then what result will come? I give you an example. Suppose you're born in some place, or you born in a countryside house and your city is very far from your house, and your parents somehow by mistake started to call chair as a table. Like they call chair as table and table as chair. And you grow up with this information all your life. When you go first time to the city, when you're already grown up, you will think people are stupid, They are calling wrong. But everybody cannot be stupid. So, if you put a wrong information in the beginning of your path, you will never reach a right destination. And this is the lack of right alive guru in life. When a live guru is there, he can tell you that here, this is something wrong. Yoga is not about discipline. Everybody is telling yoga is about discipline, yoga is about discipline, yoga is about discipline. No, yoga is not about discipline. Yoga is about self-order. Anushasanam. Ataha iti yoga anushasanam. It is like self-order. Coming to yourself in a order. Bringing you into your order. Where is Master? Master is only outside giving you this support. He's embarrassing you. Not embarrassing you.
Embrace.
Embrace. He's embracing you. He's just providing you this atmosphere where you can come to yourself. When you can connect to deeper you, a bigger you. This you will not get. This support you will not get on books, on internet videos. Internet gives you knowledge in the terms of information. But then this knowledge has to be turned into the terms of experience. Then only it will change, it will make wisdom in you. If the knowledge is only stays in the terms of information and does not converts into the terms of experience, then you never get wise. And that's why I'm sorry, but a lot of practitioners looks, for me, not very wise people. Okay? So enjoy.
Okay.